Good afternoon, music teachers. Today I want to talk to you about how you can make a note more visible. For example, a friend of mine was commenting on how the letter A, because the letter A that's used with boomwhackers, the color is such a dark purple, and I know I did want to keep that the same color, but the problem is that the font on the note itself was hard to read because it's also black, which is two tough combinations, two dark colors together, so it makes it hard to read. So I came up with the solution of creating an outline outside of the note. So I actually want to teach you how you can do it yourself so that you can achieve this same effect or make it even darker if you want to. So let's learn how to do that. So I'm going to just grab a quarter note right here. Okay. And then I'm going to create a text box. So I'm going to go up to Insert. Then I'm going to go all the way over to Text Box right over here. And then I'm going to drag to create my text box. I'm going to type, and I have to type in Geologica to do this for you. And I'm going to use Geologica Black because it is a thicker text. And I just think it looks better on the notes because it's thicker. I'm going to make it a 28 point size, 28 point font size. I'm going to put in the letter A. All right, so now I'm going to take my text and I'm going to change it. So to change my text, I'm going to highlight it first, and then I'm going to right click the text box, and that opens up for me this menu here. There is a menu that says Format Text Effects, and I'm going to click on that, and then I'm actually going to click on the first option. Text Fill and Outline is the first option, and I'm going to go to Text Outline, and I'm going to make it a solid line, and then to change the color I go right here, and then I'm going to change the point size because I want it to be a really thick line. So I just put this all the way up to 2.5, which I think might be a little bit too thick. For the Rhythms graphics, I used a smaller point size. I used, I think, 1.5. Yeah. So this is what 1.5 looks like. And I think that gave it the ability of being able to be seen just a little bit better when it was on top of the note. All right, and that is our video for today. I hope that helped. Have a great day.